Hello everyone and welcome to the Linux command line tutorial series. This is tutorial number 4. In this video we will learn how to use mkdir or make directory on Linux terminal. As the name suggests, mkdir is used to create a new directory inside present working directory. So let's get started. I'll open up my terminal and this time we will not be using full screen so that we can see stuff, and let's clear it out and I'll navigate to my desktop and ls. These three files are I think those are deleted files, but they still exist somewhere. Anyways, we are on the desktop in the terminal. Okay, so let's say you just started your master's program and you wish to organize your files according to semesters. So let me show you how to do that using terminal. Basic way of creating a directory is you type in mkdir and you will type in ms/cs and you hit enter. You can see the directory is created. You can create directory inside pre-existing directory. You can do mkdir mscs and now you can give a name, let's say sem1, and you let me open this up and you can see sem1 is in there. Another way of doing that will be going inside the ms directory, and now you can say mkdir sem2, and let me sort it by name. And okay, so you can create multiple directories. You can do sem3, sem4, space it, and you can see there are bunch of folders created just like that. Next thing, let me go ahead and delete everything. So I'll just you can do right click, move to trash, but what I like to do is command delete, so a keyboard shortcut, much faster, and that's what we like here, fast. Next thing, let's say if you wish to create a tree structure, create a folder inside a folder with one command. So let's say you try to do mkdir mscs and you do sem1. It won't allow you to do that, but that's possible. If you wish to do that, what you can do is mkdir mscs. Sorry, I forgot to give the flag. You will be using -p flag, and you will say mscs sem1, and this is inside. Okay, we are already terminal is still stuck inside mscs. Let's cd back. And oh damn, we are in the trash. Let's go to home, cd, desktop, clear, ls. So let's create mscs clear. So we will be doing mkdir -p mscs sem1, and we can see it's here, mscs sem1, it's in there. Okay, so now let's do one last thing. Let's try to create the whole structure using one command. So okay, let's make sure. Okay, we are on desktop, so I'll do mkdir -p mscs sem, and if you wish to create multiple directories inside a directory and have the whole structure created, you can do like this, and you will do curly bracket, you will do sem1, sem2, and make sure there are no spaces, just commas and name of the semester. You sem3, sem4, and close the curly braces and hit enter, and we can see the whole structure created with just one command. And think about it, if you just created a script and saved it, and let's say you are thinking of going for your PhD, you can run the same script and have the structure created. That's super cool. Anyways, until next time.